Now you might notice, as our Midwest Weekender customer, that you have a 30 amp cable, black cable with a yellow end. This is so that we can plug into campgrounds, for instance, and we can use things like our air conditioner and really any of our appliances, 110 volt plugs, so on and so forth. Now if you're going to use this, it's actually a twist and lock system. So if we look at the end here, you'll see that one of our ports has a little notch on it. You're gonna wanna line that one up. So we're gonna actually attach that right here at the back corner. And you have a nice chrome plated, easy lock cover. You'll make sure to line that up, which if we look right here at the bottom, we'll notice that that matches up with our bottom one here. You'll put that on, you'll twist it to lock that in place so it won't come out. And then the locking portion, we screw it on nice and tight. Make sure that doesn't pull off of there. When you go to plug this in at a campground, you'll have 3 prongs on this end, and they'll go right into your 30 amp power source at the campground. Now if you just want to keep, like for instance, a charge to the batteries, you can actually purchase one of these conversion plugs that can go right on the end of our 30 amp plug. And then you can plug it into like a regular household outlet. Now this isn't going to allow you to run things like your air conditioner, for instance, but it will allow to keep a charge to the batteries so that we don't kill our batteries as we leave it in storage, or we just leave it for a few weeks. And the most important thing to remember is to unplug before we drive away.